Hello Cancer, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Cancer, this is your reading for the month of September 2021 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay, Cancer, I would also appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. Cancer, what we're going to do in this reading is we'll see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person. Okay, so let's get started now. So Cancer, what your person truly thinks and feels about you. Cancer, what your person truly thinks and feels about you. Cancer, what your person truly thinks and feels about you. Okay, so for the past we have is Magician, then we have is Five of Cups. For the present we have is Page of Swords and Six of Swords. Future we have is Nine of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. Okay, let's see what action they will take towards you. Let's see what action they will take towards you. Let's see what action they will take towards you. Let's see what action they will take towards you. We have is Nine of Wands, we have is Two of Wands, we have is the Moon, Knight of Swords and Seven of Swords. Okay, so Cancer, for the past we have as a Magician and Five of Cups. So this person was manifesting you. This person was manifesting you real hard in their life, but probably the manifestations did not turn into a reality and they were extremely sad about it. They thought that they would be successful in manifesting you back in their life, and maybe in the past, Cancer, you may have felt the energy of this person. Okay, so probably this person was doing some manifestation rituals in the past. Okay, and that is one of the reason why you were feeling this person's energy so strongly. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this person did, they may also have done some magic rituals to manifest you back, but it did not work out. Okay, so they were extremely sad that nothing is working out. The present is Page of Swords and Six of Swords. So this person is spying hard on you. They are planning their further actions. One of the actions they are doing is this person is moving away from someone or something. Okay, maybe a third party, maybe from people who were not supporting this connection, or it can also be a general relocation. This person is moving from one place to another place. This person is a bit busy in that, and they're spying on you. They're spying on you. They also fear that you are moving far away from them. Okay, which they don't want, Cancer. They don't want that to happen. They know that you love them, they love you, and they want to do, I am sensing a bit of a desperation, Cancer. Like they want to do something, but in the past also nothing worked out, and in the present also they are a bit at loss, not understanding what exactly they need to do to stop you. Okay, there is a lot of fear in this person's mind, fear of losing you, fear of you being with someone else. Okay, the thought of you being someone else, they cannot handle that, and out of desperation this person is spying a lot on you. This person may be checking out social media, or they may be asking about you to other people, common friends, or people who know you and they know. uh, Future is Nine of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. Maybe in the future, this person, I told you, right, this person is asking about you. They are discussing you with their friends and their family already, and in the future maybe their friends and family will sort of force them to take some sort of an action towards you. Now that this person is so desperate, now that this person is restless without you, their family and their friends want to support this person. So their family and their friends are sort of encouraging this person to come in your direction, to do something, to have a communication with you, to make an offer. So what I see is that their friends and family will intervene. Okay, There will be some sort of an interference by friends and family, but don't worry, it's going to be a positive interference. Okay, like I see the friends and family being bit worried about this person because this person is becoming restless. So there is a possibility that they may come towards you. This person with a 10 of pentacles, they see you as their future partner. They see you as someone with whom they want to grow old with. They imagine, they fantasy that situation, Cancer, that both of you are together, you are in a home, you have pets, whosoever wants to have kids, you guys have kids. Okay, so this person's fantasizing a lot, but at the same time this person is also lacking bit of courage and confidence. And then this person has some people who are supporting this person to come towards you. Okay, what action they will take towards you is 9 of Wands again. Then we have is 2 of Wands, the Moon, Knight of Swords, and the 7 of Swords. Yeah, Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you. It's like they will reach a point, Cancer, where they will become extremely restless. They will not know what to do, and their friends and family will literally notice that this person is becoming restless. This person is getting lost in their life. Okay, this person is not able to focus on anything else in their life. Okay, and they will sort of push this person to come towards you. Okay, I see this person rushing towards you. They will accept that they have deceived you, and they want to apologize for whatever they did. But nevertheless, I see that of course the ball is in your court, Cancer. Okay, let's see the likely conclusion. So what is the likely conclusion between you and this person, Cancer? What is the likely conclusion between you and this person? What is the likely conclusion between you and this person? Contract. Interesting. Angel of Love, Yin and Yang, financial constraints, and we have is envy. Okay, so contract also means commitment, and Angel of Love is also there, Yin and Yang is also there. So what I feel is that for some of you there is a potential to get back together, but again, like I told you before, the ball is in your court, because somehow I feel that you are already tired and frustrated with the situation, and it's more about, even if you get into some sort of a conversation with this person, it will be more from a perspective to get a closure with them rather than reigniting the situation. Okay, because maybe this person is going through financial issues. Okay, and the third party is keeping a watch on you, Cancer. The third party knows that this person is in love with you, and the third party is not liking that. So the third party may do something to stop your person or to create a mess between you and them. Okay, so although the angels are supporting this connection, but it's not like, it's like they have given you the liberty. Universe has given you the liberty. What is it that you want? If you think that someone better is meant for you, you can go and you can have that person. Okay, if you want this person will come your way. I'm sensing a lot of desperation from the start itself. And also we have Knight of Swords, right? So it indicates rushing towards you. Alright, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.